Hello and welcome to the virtual edition of the Hiddenite Arts and Heritage Center's update and calendar for the week. We want to thank everybody who came on this past Friday and Saturday for our murder mystery. It was great and we enjoyed having you all. Wait for more. There'll be more. Coming up on Mondays, we have our line dancing. That is a drop-in. You don't have to pre-register, so that's good for that. Also, on Tuesdays, we have our Junior Appalachian Musicians Music Program. That also has openings, but you do need to pre-register for that if you would give us a call. Our Kids Art class happens on Thursday afternoons. We do need your pre-registration on that, and I do have openings, so welcome in on that. Coming up, March is Youth Art Month, but before that, we need your work by February 13th. You will submit that here at the Lucas Mansion, and that is open to all grade levels. And then our show and our awards ceremony will be held on March the 1st at our educational building because our gallery area is temporarily closed. So come and celebrate with us that day and find out who wins and enjoy some refreshments. And then looking ahead to April is always our Adult Art Month exhibit. Again, that will be held at the Educational Complex. Deadline for those entries is March the 13th. Here at the Lucas Mansion. You'll submit here, but it will be exhibited at the Educational Complex. And that day will be Saturday, April the 5th. We'll be having a reception and our awards ceremony for our adult artists, so please make note of that. Also coming up in March the 14th, our Irish Done Right Night, which consists of the St. Joseph's Irish Dancers, Aaron Tide Band, and some wonderful traditional Irish fare to eat. Don't forget to wear your green, and that is pre-registration only, and that is open now. Also, back to us, another applied cell phone photography class will be on March the 22nd. That registration is open now, and of course that is to be held at our educational complex as well. And then looking way ahead to April 11th, our annual fundraiser for the organization to address needs that we have physically here at the mansion. Doing a lot of work, and so we will be raising funds for that. That is April 11th. Will be a steak dinner fundraiser at the educational complex. We'll be having entertainment, great meal, and lots of fun and fellowship with your friends and neighbors, all the people that love and support us, and we do appreciate it. So that's it for this week. Thank you.